Do you wake up every day with energy and joy and light and want to go out into the world and do cool shit? Yes or no? If you are matching the needs of your cell, more likely you're going to wake up every morning feeling like you want to go do cool stuff. So symptoms, diseases, how do you feel? 2, biomarkers. One of the cool things about modernity is that we are able to actually look at our blood work and understand a readout of whether we're meeting the needs of our cells. And so if you can look at your lab work in a very nuanced way, understand the difference between optimal and normal ranges, understand the labs that can give you a hint about your metabolic health. So things like the, ApoB, fasting insulin, fasting glucose, triglycerides, HDL cholesterol, HSCRP, an inflammatory marker, uric acid, vitamin D, I think I said fasting insulin. If you can look at these things every few months and actually be certain that you are like really in the optimal range for a lot of these things and you feel incredible, you're probably eating the right diet.
Yeah.
You're probably eating the right diet. You don't actually need someone to tell you you need to be vegan, you need to be carnivore, you need to be paleo, you need to be keto, you need to be this or that. Because if you are eating a whole foods diet and your labs are looking perfect and you feel freaking incredible, you're probably, for this moment in time, in a good place. And that may change over time
Yeah.
because our bodies change over time, our hormones change over time, our stress changes over time, and we may need to modulate our diet for different parts of our lifetime.